Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to easily add your own watermark to any photo in Canva. Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for width and height to set the correct dimensions for this tutorial. Next, click Elements and search for a photo. Select a suitable image, then drag and drop it onto your design. Adjust its size and position to fit your layout perfectly. Open the photo you want to edit. Tap inside the photo to activate the editing tools. Use the available options to adjust brightness, contrast, or apply filters. Save your changes by selecting the Save button. This quick process enhances your photo efficiently. Next, add a watermark to your photo using the toolbar options. Go to Elements, type Watermark in the search bar, then click Search to browse available watermark graphics. Open Watermark Maker. In this app, you can create custom watermarks live on your images for branding or protection. Adjust settings, then apply the watermark directly to your photos instantly. You can change the text font by selecting the desired style from the font menu. To adjust the size of the watermark, drag the size slider until it fits your preference. You can also change the text color by choosing a new color from the palette. For this example, the watermark is set to solid black. Make sure the watermark color contrasts well with your background to maintain visibility and professionalism in your document. Adjust these settings as needed for the best result. Hold and change the settings as needed. This method effectively removes watermarks of any size from your images or videos. Adjust the parameters until you achieve the desired result. It's a simple process that works consistently for various watermark types and sizes. Follow these steps to clean your media quickly and efficiently every time. This standalone tool creates a single watermark. You can adjust the rotation and the number of watermark lines. After customizing, click Generate to create the watermark. Then, add the watermark to your image or document by following the prompts. This process ensures your content is protected with a clear, visible watermark tailored to your preferences. Use these options to easily customize and apply watermarks. Since we have only one page, select Add for current page. Click Generate to apply the watermark. The watermark appears centered on the text. This demonstrates how to add a watermark to your page quickly and easily using the software's built-in options. Your watermark is now successfully added. In Canva, you can apply a watermark to your video. Click Share, then Download. Increase the size to maximize image quality before downloading. This ensures your watermark appears clear and sharp on your final video project. Now you know how to create and add a watermark in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.